Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add the FAQ schema into the website without using any plugins. So FAQ schema is basically a way to mark up your web pages with the structured data so that the search engines can understand the content in a better way. It helps the search engine to display the question and answers from your FAQ page of the website directly into its search results. So also this can help to improve your website's visibility and provide quick answers to the users. So to start with this, we'll divide the tutorial into two parts. First will be how to generate the FAQ schema code, and second will be adding that code into the website using the Elementor. So let's start now. First of all, you need to go into your Chrome tab and you need to search for schema markup generator. Now you can use any of the reliable tool which you get as a suggestion in the search. According to me, I prefer using the technicalseo.com. So I'll show you the process from this. Now once this is open, you need to select the required schema, as I'm selecting here FAQ. Then you need to fill in the details of your FAQ, including all the question and answers. So the process is simple and you just need to copy paste the questions from your website along with the answers. So here is my website and here is the FAQ page of my website. So these all are the questions and below is the answer of each question. So I have these questions into my Word doc already added here. So I'll copy the first question and add here. Then the answer for that, like this. Copy the second question, click on add question here, copy paste directly your questions like this and proceed further accordingly. So all these questions which I am being copy pasting from this blog are present on my website. Here the next one. The last one also I am adding here like this. Then the answer of this question. So I have copy pasted all my FAQs from the website here, and now it will create a script for us for this all these questions and answers. So now before implementing this code to the website, I would recommend testing this through various schema testing tools available online. Just need to go into your Chrome and type the schema markup testing tool here. Go to the schema markup validator here, click on run test. Now go to the code snippet and paste your created FAQ code here. Run the test now. So after the test is completed, it will show the errors and warnings to your script. So it shows that our code is correctly created. It has 0 errors and 0 warnings. So now we can move to our part 2 where we'll add the script into the WordPress using Elementor. For that, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard of the website. Now you need to open the page where you want to add the FAQ schema. So this is my page. Now click on edit with Elementor. Wait for a while till it completely loads. So once this is done, we need to add a new HTML widget into your page. So scroll down to the bottom and here you can find the widgets. You can search for the HTML widget in the left side search bar and click on it. It will appear in your page like this. Now you need to copy paste your FAQ script here and just update it from the left side bottom. It will be only added into the backend and will not be shown in the front end of the site. So now it is updated. We will again check this script through the same testing tool again to ensure that our FAQ schema is correctly implemented and valid in the website. Click on the run new test again, then click on fetch URL. Now the code is added to the web page, so we'll select the fetch URL option. Run the test again. So you can see that it shows the FAQ schema is correctly added to the page with 0 errors and 0 warnings. So that's all done, and now we can see that we have correctly implemented our FAQ schema without taking help of any of the plugins of the WordPress. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.